Hey guys, so I wanted to follow up a second video here on my RV locks. If you watched the previous video, you've seen I done a full installation on those, and essentially a couple of the locks were messed up that went on the storage bin. So, I thought, okay, I'll call their customer service. I'd always heard that they were pretty good, but I wanted to get back with you because I told you on the video I would. So I did get with RVLocks, and their customer service, I have to say, was absolutely phenomenal. I've got a real nice lady, and I'm sorry at this point I can't remember her name, but I did call their number as soon as their open hours was there. Had a person on the line within just a couple of minutes. No automated machines, which is absolutely great, especially in today's market. But worked through. We tried a few different things to fix the locks that I said were bad. As soon as we seen that we couldn't fix those, she had the locks sent out to me very, very quickly and ready to go. So I was really excited, happy. They were here like 2 days later. I've got them installed. I sent my other locks back, sent me new keys to go with those locks. And that is the other thing I wanted to mention. So I was able just to give them the number off of my key, and they're able to match it up with my lock. So, I thought that was pretty cool too. But so far, I've been using the locks now for, I guess, about a week and a half, and love them. Love the door handle. The door handle is absolutely incredible, being able to use the code, the key fob, and so forth. Also, just being able to, know that everything's a little bit more secure, have one key all the way around the RV now. Really enjoying that one. But, so like I say, this is just going to be a pretty quick, short video, not my weekly video. I've got that coming out hopefully Monday morning. And this week's video will be on the top 5 things to get prepared for full time. So, kind of the process of what it's going to take to get from sticks and bricks to RV. And just the top 5 things, and again, not in any particular order. But again, I just wanted to really thank RVLocks, and it's RVLocks.com, and I'll put a link below in this video as well, but for anybody who is interested. So far, I've got to say, I love the product, really love working with the company, and again, this is not any kind of paid endorsement. I'm not getting anything back for this or anything else like this. This is just from personal experience. But, when somebody gives you good customer service, I like to acknowledge it. So, just wanted to touch base, and as a little end piece, if you can see, for the first time in many videos, I am actually wearing a sleeve shirt. Got some funny feedback from my dad who watches these videos, which I appreciate. He's a good guy, and I will go on video and say he's been a great dad. Helps me out all that he can when he can. So, very, very lucky there to have a good father in my life. But, he wanted to see me wear a sleeve shirt in one of these videos. He said it might help me get some more views on them. So Dad, here's the sleeve shirt. This is for you. I hope you like it. I hope you like this video. Again, my full videos will be coming out hopefully Monday morning. Touched on the topic. And got a couple more ideas coming up here soon, but hope everybody's enjoying the videos. The Camper Life Top 5, which started last week. And if you like what these videos are bringing to you, like this channel, I ask that you please subscribe. Hopefully we'll see everybody on the road. We are officially into our countdown to full time. Hopefully by September we will be there. That is the goal, and we will see how it goes. But like I say, I wanted to keep this one short and sweet for everybody. Just wanted to once again thank RVLocks for being such a great company to deal with and having such a great product. I'm really enjoying it, and I really like it, and I really like them. I would advise anybody who's looking to upgrade their locks to definitely go through them. Just a good product and good people. So with all that said, we will see you all down the road somewhere, and I appreciate your time and watching this quick clip video. And again, all the links to the stuff will be down below, and we will hopefully see you here in a few days with a new video. Thank you all for your time. Have a good day.